My name is Miglena Dogan, and I am everything business in the company related to sales, business development, and marketing. Our technology is based on Internet of Things. We are developing a product fully integrated and open to be a part of successful automated manufacturing. It's intuitive, it's extremely user-friendly, and it may become a huge asset and save lots of money on predicting costs for urgent repairs. We are part of a platform which announces such programs, yet most of the programs are funding programs, and that's not what we actually needed. What we needed was a well-packed know-how related to some marketing tools and let's say more wrapped information related to our particular needs as a startup, and I think we found it. So far I have had 2 meetings with my mentor, and I'm really happy that there are ideas that are very simple, but yet I haven't even thought about them, and this is very good. I'm learning every day. Thinking about technology as a tool accessible for everyone, and a tool that won't take people out of what they do, right? The opposite, will motivate teams to use technology to grow steadily. So that's what we dream about, and I hope that we can see that in 5 years, many happy small and middle range customers to use our service and be happy about it and feed us back on it, and even a small step further towards technology upgrade, it makes a huge impact. And I would like to share that with manufacturers afraid of using technology due to their small size, or there isn't small size. We're there for everyone, and we would like to learn their specific workflows, their specific issues, and we would love to solve it.